Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best billiard and pool table available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Instead of spending money at the local pub playing pool, why don't you get your pool table? You will be able to play from the comfort of your home and even invite your friends over. We realize it can be tough choosing the right pool table because there are so many options on the market. However, by following this review and the accompanying buying guide, you can select the best pool table that will meet your need. Number 1. Minnesota Fats Covington Billiard Table. The Minnesota Fats MFT 800 Covington Billiard Table features a camel-colored wool blend cloth over a slate playbed for a high-quality look and feel. Solid wood ball and claw feet have bronzed ball accents supporting the brown oak veneer rails with inlaid sights. Black leather drop pockets feature diamond embossed shields while a black base and legs add stability and style. Number 2. Ideal Rackham Tabletop Pool. Ideal Rackham Tabletop Pool can be set up anyplace. It is just like a real pool table, except smaller. Rack the balls. Chalk your cue stick for smooth strikes. Break. Instructions are included for 4 kinds of pool games: 8 ball, 1 pocket, cutthroat and straight. Includes a 20-inch felted table, 2 cue sticks, 15 balls, chalk, racking triangle and instructions. Number 3. Miseric Dynasty Space Saver 6.5 Billiard Table. Billiard tables can range anywhere from 7 to 10 feet long, which can easily overwhelm a rec room. However, the Miseric Dynasty gives you all the fun of traditional billiards in a table that is only 6.5 feet long. Disc-style leg levelers allow you to adjust the height of each corner of the table for a perfectly level playing surface even when the floor is sloped. Rubber cushions around the perimeter of the play bed offer excellent rebound for speed and accuracy. Number 4. Fat Cat 7 feet Frisco Billiard Table. Bring luxury and class into your home with the Fat Cat 7.5 feet Frisco Billiard Table. This beautiful table has 6-inch rails with white diamond inlays, brown wool cloth and beveled legs with wood veneer mahogany. These aspects combine to form a beautifully made table. The AccuSlate playing surface comes with a 7-year warranty. Accessories include 2 57-inch cues, 1 set of billiard balls, 2 pieces of chalk, a triangle, and a brush. Number 5. Fat Cat Reno 2. Equipped with an durable 1-inch thick AccuSlate play surface, this strong table is engineered to resist warping over time. A 7-year AccuSlate surface warranty is included with your purchase of this table. The Reno's bold crimson wool blend cloth complements the table's cherry finish and warm oak-toned accent panels. These aspects combine to form a beautifully made table. The table also features a 1-inch AccuSlate playing surface and K66 rubber bumpers, allowing for better play.